Hello, good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Okay, Lourdes. 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 Hi, Elias.
Hello.
Hi, Danny. Hi, Maria. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Should I start now?
Okay, Elias. I got the start. I got
Okay.
the start, Elias, please.
Okay. Thank you. So now to the topic of presentation is about the respirations. What is actually a respiration is? Respiration is a process, something like we may call it as a respirations. What is a respiration? Respiration is a process where two processes occur. It may be of internal respirations and it may be of external respirations. What is internal respiration and what is external respirations? How we can differentiate between them according to the main concept. So the internal respirations is a process that occur in the cells, while the external respiration is a process that occurs between the organisms and the environment. In internal respirations, the organic molecules are broken down into a small molecules, such as all the time we may eat some food that is broken down in our body, and the formation of ATP occur in this product. Okay. A huge amount of chemical potential energy released from the food into the form of ATP in the internal respiration. It is also called as cellular respirations, and it occur in the mitochondria. External respirations occur between the organisms and environments, so it may involve the conversion of carbon dioxide and oxygens uh, between the heart bloods and the lungs. It is a passive process, while it is the may it use ATP or it may be as an active transport mechanism. While it is a passive, there is no use of energy in the external respirations. We can all expire or inspire the air's gases inside our body and outside our body. Okay. So external respiration is also called as gaseous exchange. So what are the gases here? There is only two gases, carbon dioxide and oxygens. It takes place in the lungs, while the internal respiration occur in the mitochondria. These two types were on the basis of their definitions, while these types are on the basis of their breakdown product or breakdown materials. So now we will discuss only about the internal respirations. So it have two types. The one is about aerobic respiration, while the other is anaerobic. So what is aerobic respiration and what is anaerobic means? Aerobic respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen, while anaerobics occur in the absence of oxygen. we say that internal respirations occur in the mitochondria. So both of these processes occur in the mitochondria. It may be aerobic and it may be anaerobic. Aerobic respirations occur in the presence of oxygen, and here is the formations of ATP occur. It involves the process of may involve the process of glycolysis, pyruvic acid oxidation, Krebs cycle, and respiratory chain. While in the anaerobic respiration, only two processes occur. One is the alcoholic fermentation and the other is lactic acid fermentations. Where alcoholic acid fermentations occur, fermentations occur in those organisms that were the of our ancestor cells, such as yeast, bacteria. Some are the examples of anaerobic respirations. In some eukaryotes, yeast is an example of eukaryotes. So in simple eukaryotes, anaerobic respirations also occur. While the lactic acid.
Elias, can you repeat the last part? Because I have a student, I have a question about that. Can you repeat?
Okay. Can you please speak loudly? I am not hearing you clearly. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, you can continue, teacher.
Okay. What are the questions?
Good. Stefan, do you have a question? Stefan, do you hear me? Turn the phone and ask the question to the teacher.
Can you repeat that again, please?
What's it? Which one?
The reproduction topic.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So we are discussing now the topic of respiration. What is actually a respiration is? Respirations have two types. One is internal respiration and the other is external respiration. The internal respiration is a process of conversion of a large molecule into a small molecules with the help of oxygen. While the external respiration is a process where the process of conversion of gases involved. We breathe air in and out. This is the external respirations. While the conversion of food into energy is called as internal respirations. So in internal respirations, organic molecules, all food we eat are made up of organics molecules, maybe of carbon, hydrogen, and other atoms. So organic molecules are broken down into a small molecules with the help of oxygen. So it is also called as cellular respiration, or here is the formation of ATP occur. This process occur in the mitochondria, while the external respirations occur in the lungs, where the gaseous exchange take place. This is the passive process. Passive means no requirement of energy. This process requires no energy. We all can breathe in and out without the use of energy, while the cellular respirations requires energy in the form of ATP. It requires energy to break down the food. So these two types were on the basis of their definitions. While the now we have to study only internal respirations. So these two types are on the basis of their breakdown materials. So the one is an aerobic respiration and another one is anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is occur in the presence of oxygen, while anaerobic occur in the absence of oxygen. In aerobic respirations, formation of ATP occur.
inglés me dijo.
Hello.
Rafaela, do you have a question, Rafaela? Oh, it's okay. You can continue, teacher. Don't worry.
Okay. In aerobic respiration, the formation of ATP occur. It involves some process that is glycolysis, pyruvic acid oxidation, Krebs cycle, respiratory chain. While in anaerobic respiration, only two processes occur. The one is alcoholic fermentation, while the other is lactic acid formation. The alcoholic fermentation occur in the primitive cells that were our ancestors, such as bacteria and yeast. Some eukaryotes, they used the yeast is an example of simple eukaryotic cells. So alcoholic acid fermentation occur in the yeast. Lactic acid fermentation occur in the animal muscle cells. We do exercise and our muscle cell we do exercise and our muscles get fatigues. So this process occur in the muscle cells, mostly in the skeletal muscles, in our hand, in our foot, and our legs. All are the example of skeletal muscles. So this process occur in the muscle cells of the humans. In anaerobic respiration, 2% of the energy productions occur. Only 2% means only 2 ATP are formed in the anaerobic respiration, while other are formed in the process of aerobic respiration. Here is the here is about the ATP. What is ATP? ATP is an adenosine triphosphate. Is a unit of energy. It is also called as energy currency unit, and it consists of number of phosphate bond. And each phosphate bond release 30.5 kilojoule per moles energy. Okay. And each ATP atom in the ATP molecules contain 30.5 kilojoule per mole of energy. Here is the hydrolysis of ATP molecule. It consists of trimine 3 molecules of phosphate. So if we do hydrolysis of ATP molecules, this will convert into the ADP, adenosine diphosphate. So the one phosphate molecules releases, and it releases the amount of energy 30.5 kilojoule per mole. While if we do another hydrolysis of ADP molecules, this will also release another molecules of phosphate from it, and this also release 30.5 kilojoule 30.5 kilojoule per mole of energy. So the last one is only AMP, adenosine monophosphate. Mono means single, and it will only contain a single molecule of phosphate. So when the single molecule of phosphate attaches to the ribose sugar, it only contains 14.2 kilocalories of energy. This energy also can be written in the form of kilocalories. In the form of kilocalories, 30.5 kilojoule per mole is equal to 7.3 kilocalories. Energy unit, energy used in the cell process, such as this ATP is an energy currency unit, so it is used in the cell membrane, maybe exocytosis process, endocytosis process, and in the muscle contraction or in the uh, nerve conduction process, all the time energy used. Here is the structure of ATP molecule. It consists of a ribose sugar, that is a 5-carbon sugar. And here is a nitrogenous base. It may be adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanosine. While here are the 3 phosphate bond. So this is the structure of ATP molecule.
Guys, you have to wait. Maybe the teacher has some problem with the connection, but just wait, okay? Elias, are you there? We are waiting for you. No, no, no. Guys, the teacher have trouble with the connection, but we're going to wait 5 minutes, okay? Please don't disconnect. Still and the Zoom, and when the teacher come in and have a better connection, and the class going to continue, okay? Thank you, guys. Hey guys, in the case that the teacher don't back to the Zoom, we're going to close the class, and tomorrow we're going to try again. But the idea with this class and all the class that you receive it every day is that the principle is that you enjoy and learn. Okay, that is the idea. And we're going to develop the exam your section, you know, you're going to obtain a better results. That is the idea. Okay. So now we're going to wait 2 more minutes. Okay. And then because